Hello everyone, and welcome back to Full Course Online. This is the second video of our Canva from Basic to Advanced course, where I'll show you the basic design elements available in Canva. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and dive right into our lesson. As you can see, I have Canva opened here. Let's start by creating an Instagram post. Click on Social Media. Then Instagram, and select Instagram Post. Now, once I create a new project, a new tab opens in Canva. This tab represents the project I'm currently working on. At the top, you'll see File, Resize, and Editing. These options allow you to edit, transform, and resize your design using presets or custom dimensions. The first option on the left side is Design. Select it. Next, we have Templates and Styles. Templates are predefined designs that you can apply to your post. Some are free, while others are premium, which means you'll have to pay to use them. Styles change the color palette and font combinations across your design. For example, clicking on a style instantly applies its color scheme to your entire project. Later in this course, we'll also have a dedicated color theory lesson, where we'll learn how to use colors effectively in your designs. Now, let's move to the Elements tab. This is where most of your creative tools live. There are many categories here, like shapes, graphics, 3D, stickers, photos, and more. Let's click Shapes. You'll find options like basic shapes, squares, triangles, and polygons. Then we have arrows, and much more. There are tons of design resources here that you can use to enhance your project. Now, go back and select frames from the category this time. If I click on frames, you'll see different frame shapes appear. You can also explore categories like stickers, tables, grids, and charts. Let's take charts as an example. Choose a chart type, and then drag and drop it onto the canvas. You can edit its data and appearance. You can change values, adjust percentages, and even make the edges rounded or sharp. If I don't need it anymore, I can simply press Delete to remove it. When you click on Elements, the Recently Used section displays everything you've worked with before. Now, let's add a shape to our design. I'll place two shapes here as part of our layout. Drag a square, and then a triangle. A menu bar appears above. To change the color, make sure the shape is selected. Then click the color icon, and choose your desired color. I'll change one shape's color to blue and the other to yellow. If there are multiple shapes, we can bring a shape to front or send it to back. Right-click a shape, go to Layer, and select the option of your choice. Then I'll reduce the transparency of the blue shape to about 40% from the menu bar. You can adjust the slider or enter the value directly. You can see how it gives a subtle layered effect. If you drag any element outside the canvas, it will automatically be deleted. An image or shape can be resized by selecting it first, and then dragging the handles around it. To get an exact copy of the shape, right-click the shape and click Duplicate. That's how you can use basic shapes and elements to build layouts or grid-based designs. That covers the basic design elements available in Canva. We use shapes, layers, colors, and transparency to create a simple, clean layout. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to combine these elements to create a complete design project step by step. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.